are you there?
Yes, Manish.
Yeah. Okay. See, team, for the first day, we are going to give you some points, what you're going to do. And this is, see, for the first 4 to 5 days, if you do this, everyone kindly keep your thing in mute. Sambashiva, Pratika, I mean, Jayanti, keep in mute. Okay. See, here we are doing for the first 5 days, kindly concentrate what is the work. So here, first of all, you required your mail ID, and you should know how to create a pic in 2 seconds, and what is the posting way and where to post, and how to create the social media accounts. These are the 5 important things. So today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and next day. For the first 4 to 5 days, we'll explain you the stepwise process. Don't miss the sections. And once it is done, in after this week, anytime, daily 1 hour, you can do this work and generate the resumes. And for the freelance, students who are looking, who are working with us as a part-time freelancers, okay, for IT, we will associate you with Rashmita. She is a freelancer vendor manager. She will take all the resumes from the freelancers and she will give to the client HRs. Okay, so whatever you are going to generate the resumes according to our client requirement, you will filter these resumes and you will give to the Rashmita. And next thing is Ramcharan Tej. He is a vendor manager for freelancers on non-IT division. Okay, so if you are getting any non-IT resumes according to our requirement, you will give to Ramcharan Tej. So now in the group, we will mention you the Ramcharan Tej number and Rashmita number, okay, and as well as their details also. Okay, now I request host to go ahead with the start the section.
Thank you, sir. Guys, actually, firstly, it should be interaction. And can I know how many people have social media accounts with the highest names? Please raise your hands or you can unmute also.
Yeah, ma'am. I create a ISIS name related to my Gmail.
What about the others? Please let us know how many accounts you have, like only Gmail or a Facebook. Today I'm going to explain you Facebook, Gmail ID, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. I mean, how to create a pics in WhatsApp. Okay, only 2 are having accounts, business accounts. What about the others?
No, we don't have any business accounts.
Okay. So let me show you. And for Gmail ID, you can just create it with your name itself. We don't need any business account for this. I think you all know about Gmail, how to create a Gmail ID, right?
Yes, we know.
Or should I show you?
That's fine enough.
Okay. I'm just showing you just the regular things. Just open your Google, just create with your name. Here, first name, it should be like, I'll just take one name from this. Okay, Akil. Akil is there, right? You have to write in the first column Akil and second one is Heis. So with the username also, you can just take it as Akil Heis @ gmail.com. Okay, after creating this Gmail ID, don't forget use the same password for all the Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, so Instagram, so that it will be very easy for you guys. Okay. So will you start creating the Gmail accounts with me right away? I'll just explain you if you have any doubts.
Okay, madam.
Okay, please start. Open the Google. After that, you will get like this. Create an account. Just open this. Fill these details. If you get any error, please let me know. I'll just I'll just help you. This is totally interaction session, guys. Please respond to my questions. I'll just wait for a few more minutes. If you please start creating your mail IDs. Okay, Nina, how many are started creating?
I started, madam.
Okay. What about the others?
I already have another account, so I don't need of any creating another email. So I'll use that for Heis.
Okay. But better use that mail ID while creating social media accounts like Facebook. Just mention Heis in that name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it mandatory to mention Heis?
Yeah. Then it will be easy. Then they'll get to know
It
candidates.
is mandatory to use a highest name because you are going to post in the social media. So
Okay.
once they will check from which company they are posting.
Okay.
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 You are
Okay.
posting the requirement plus your mail ID. You are not going to keep. See, if someone boys are interested to keep their numbers on the postings, yes, they can. But females, majorly, they can keep only their mail ID, not necessary of keeping your mobile numbers. Even males also, you can keep your only mail IDs. So if it is with highest name, it will be more clear. So people will straight away, they will apply for that mail ID. And I request Jayanti also just support host if there is anything from your end also. Go ahead, host.
Okay, thank you, sir. So
Yeah.
what about Akhil and Uma Shankar, Hima Varshita? Please respond to me who have started creating a Gmail account. If you are done with a creating mail ID, I'll just forward to other topic.
Hello, madam. I
Okay.
have done with my mail ID, madam.
Okay. Okay, done. Thank you. So after creating the mail ID, just go to the Facebook app. Just create a Facebook account. Please let me know how many are ready with the mail IDs. I'll just tell you about how to create a Facebook account.
Wait for a while.
Okay. After opening the Facebook account, you'll get to this page. Okay. Just fill your name as I said. First name is like your name, like Akil or anything. Akil. And the second name is Hys, HYSC. And in this place, you have created one mail ID, right? Please mention that mail ID and the password also the same one what you have used for that mail ID, and as well as a same one date of birth is your date of birth, and just fill this one and get sign up. Please start doing right away. If you have any doubts, I'll just clear it out.
Here we should mention any highs.
Yeah, I have said you right in the first name. Please mention surname, mention highs.
Okay, thank you.
And first name I have created with the highest name. No problem, right?
Now, if you have an account, no problem. Don't create other one. Use that one itself.
I have created with the highest first name and the second is the my name.
No, not a problem. You can use an like random one.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
So what about others? Jagadish?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Do you have any doubt while creating a Facebook account? Have you created?
Yeah, madam, I have account, madam.
Okay. Do you have an account with the highest name or your personal account? I'm just telling you guys, please don't use your personal account. While posting, you may lose that account. So don't use the personal account. Okay. So if you're done with that, I'll just show you how to post in Facebook. Okay. Well, today we'll just post in Facebook, and I'll just show you how to create a pic in WhatsApp. Just a second. Can I know how many are ready with Facebook accounts? Please raise your hands. Now, please connect with your mic. Then you can hear me. I'll just display that.
I'm ready with the Facebook.
Okay. Then I'll start posting, and today's topic is I'll just message you in a chat box and I'll show you how to post. Okay, just a second.
Okay.
So today's posting is like we have a requirement for developer positions. So we have multiple openings on this. C developers, React JS, Node.js, Flutter developers. So I'll just give this matter, okay?
Okay.
Please edit with your mail IDs in the down, okay? Mail IDs and mobile numbers. I'll just post this in the chat box. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yeah, it's visible.
So I'm just giving you this matter. We have to post this. Please open your Facebook accounts first of all.
Okay.
After that, in the search bar, please search IT jobs groups.
Okay.
The
Wait for
search
a while.
bar, please search for IT job openings job.
Can you repeat it once again? IT.
IT jobs.
Okay.
Press, just search in that. So you'll
Okay.
get some group.
It's
You'll get some group.
packing. Yeah, packing job, Hero Honda company job, airport, like it's coming like all companies. What should I
Or
do?
you can just search for Hyderabad jobs. Please search Hyderabad.
IT jobs, Hyderabad. Should I type that?
Yeah. Hyderabad IT jobs.
Okay. Amazon, Colgate company job, packing jobs, and several job has come.
You can just see their groups. Please click on that groups.
I can't see the option.
Just a second. I'll just say that.
Host, can you share your screen while
Yeah.
you're
Yeah.
unable to share?
Yeah. I'll just share the screen right away.
Okay.
See, whenever you're showing them anything, Jayanti or host, see, you open your tab here and just show them. It will be very visible, clear in one thing word itself. Open your screen tab, open the
Okay.
Facebook. And initially on the Facebook, just let them join only IT groups. Why need of either all the another groups? See team, you will focus only on IT job groups. Like we have any requirement for PHP, Android, data science, Salesforce, all the IT domains. So whenever we are posting something, if we are posting today for PHP developers, what you do is today you join PHP 30 groups. Okay. Host, can you please share your screen?
Yes, sir.
It's not visible. Host.
Just a second, Sam.
Yeah, sure. Done. First open the Facebook. Okay. Now, what is the post we are going to post today? Host, can you show me? Regarding Now creating the mail ID is completed, right? So host.
I think it's completed.
Yeah. Okay, let me check. Okay, now scroll it up. Host, scroll it up once, that message. Okay, wait. Just open the Facebook. Write something here. There is an post there. There. Okay. Now press post. Done. See, dear students, in every portal, it may be Facebook or LinkedIn, there are a lot of things to learn. Day by day, you will be get to know many things. Today, we are just showing you how to do a normal post and how to add the groups and how to do the postings in the groups, Facebook groups. Like that, we have in Facebook, we can do the job posting. We can share with pages, groups. Okay.
In this, you can just search Hyderabad IT jobs.
बात करते हैं. Okay.
You can just join in these groups, guys, who are not in the groups. So please try to join in these groups so that already I have joined in so many groups. I'll just show you how to post in a group also. Just a second. So after opening the group, please click on start discussion. Just paste what I have given the matter. Change your mail ID and number. Don't forget that. And click on post. That's a very simple thing. So we are done with the posting.
Now, host, today the requirement is like, once show me the requirement.
Just a second.
Done. So we have a React.js developers requirement. Now what you do is open the Facebook. See, we have 5-6 requirements in single company. Even though we have one, we got to know there is one IT requirement. It is React.js developers, the second one. Okay. Now what we do is on the top, search React developers. React.js developers. So once you press it, on the top you have all posts, people and groups. The fourth one option. Can you check it out? Press on groups. So team, you will get join that group and post in that. If they're asking for permission, post the same thing. Whatever the require, you have saved once, right? The requirement, paste here. Wait. Host.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, once open that.
Yeah. So I have joined in this group. So we can just post in.
Post.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. See, go back once. If they ask the permission, we should once show the another group. React.js, second one, React.js developers 1.4, even that. See, if some team here, we can join all the groups normally. If some groups ask the permission while joining, you paste the same job description there itself. So they will think, yes, you are the recruiter, and they will so they will add, they'll give a permission, they'll add you into their group. Okay. Now, so these are all React.js developers groups. See, you may see very less groups in your Facebook account because you never gone through any searches or the things, right? So that's the reason you may have very less groups here. Now,
Yeah, exactly.
post, kindly just scroll down slowly and join 20 React.js groups one by one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and show them a posting for today. This is enough. And if there is any queries for them, just sort it out. And team, okay, just make a note for today and tomorrow also, just learn, and day after tomorrow also. Then we'll give you Rashmita and Ramcharan Tej numbers. You can start giving them resumes. Till this 3 days, even though you are getting a resumes or anything, just wait a while. And Jayanti, even you just give them a suggestions. Okay. Bye.
So I have just joined a number of groups, guys. So I'll just show you right away. In one group, I'm just posting. And this, you can just see, create a public post. Just click on that. Paste the same matter. And you can just add hashtags also. Related to our
Here, where do
requirement.
no, ma'am. Here, where do we add our mail ID?
Yeah, just a second, I'll show you. Here we have numbers, right? So please remove these numbers, write your mail ID. Okay? In this call or WhatsApp on, we have this, right? So please remove these and add your one mail ID so that resumes responses you'll get to your mail ID. You can
Okay,
just
okay, done.
download from there.
Done. So we should have to post number of groups, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can
Cleared
just
everything.
add
Thank
here
you.
React.js like this. Hashtags is also very important thing. The
We can also create the hashtag on Hive, right?
Yeah, you can use the hashtag so with the Hive names also. So after
Okay.
adding the hashtags, just click on post. If you have any issues like this, just click on I agree to the group.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Cleared everything.
And with this. So do you have any queries about posting in Facebook? Please let me know.
So you mentioned in the chat box as you copy and paste some, like we have requirements for, you also share this information in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining. So we are ending the session. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, we can end the session.